What if you could build a profitable business without spending a rupee on tools? We're showing you exactly how, using only free Claude tools and ready-made prompts that entrepreneurs are using right now. Claude's free tier gives you enterprise-level capabilities without the cost. Businesses use it for content creation, customer support, data analysis, and automation. The best part? You don't need coding skills. We'll show you 3 proven models generating consistent income from content agencies to automation services. Model 1, a content agency used Claude to generate blogs, emails, and social content for SMEs, charge right via clients' emails and social content for SMEs, charge right by 15 quantly per client. Model 2, prompt engineering services sell optimized prompts and workflows to businesses. Model 3, I-powered customer support automate support tickets for e-commerce stores, take 20-30% commission on savings. Claude API free credits, make.com for automation and Google Sheets integration. We've compiled battle-tested prompts for each business model. Download them from our community. These prompts handle 80% of the work. You manage client relationships and scaling. Pick one model. Set up a Claude account. Use our free prompts for your first client project. Start with new 5 contracts to build portfolio. Scale to video in tiny days. The entrepreneurs we've coached this you can too. Subscribe now for the free prompt templates and updated iBusiness strategies. Like this video and comment which model you're testing first. We reply to every comment. Which model you're testing first. We reply